Okay, so I thought this might be an interesting video for some people. I'm going to show kind of a tour of my camera equipment and the case that I keep it in. So this is just basically a waterproof case. And I always have this. I just use a selfie stick and that to do all my videoing. So here's the inside of the box. So this top layer is the GoPro 7 waterproof case for that camera. This is a Queso 4K camera. It's like my backup camera. And a waterproof case for that. This is the GoPro charger for the batteries. These are aftermarket batteries for that GoPro camera. And then I have one extra GoPro battery. That's a clip for the GoPro. This is a hard case, metal case for the GoPro. I'm going to show this in a minute, how that works with putting stuff on it. This is the battery charger for the Queso batteries and an extra battery for that. This is a waterproof LED light. Let me go back up here. This is a macro lens that goes with these two. This lens and this lens fit on this case. That's a macro lens, and then this is a telephoto lens. And that's a UV filter on there right now. Also over here, I missed this. This is the remote for that Queso. Alright, and now the bottom layer. This is the bottom layer. And that's my drone. It's a Mavic Mini. This is the battery pack for the drone and extra propellers under that. This is a backup battery. You can use that for pretty much anything. You can even hook that straight into the GoPro. That is the remote for the drone, and the toggles are under right there. That's like an extra long selfie stick. These are extra, attachments and things for the GoPro, and also this is the box to hook in the external microphones. And there's like a chest strap and a head strap in there, some various parts. This is an external microphone. Which also fits on that hard case. I'll show that in a few minutes. And also have lapel mics. And I'm going to show all that too. Okay, so 9 times out of 10 I use this to film things with. This stick right here, and it's just a basic selfie stick that extends and turns into a tripod. So I use that more than anything. But when I'm not using that, I use that clamp that I showed before. Those are really the two main things I use. Occasionally I'll do other things, like I have a chest mount and a head mount, but this is generally what I use. Plus I also have a normal standard tripod that I keep in the trunk of the car, so I do have that option as well. So let me go ahead and show this is the lapel mics, and there's just basically a set extra cables to make it long, and there's 2 of them. That's what those look like. Also have this case that I carry stuff in. This is all the other attachments for the GoPro, plus some for the Acaso, and all the charging cables are in this bag. There's also extra memory sticks, floating selfie stick, some various odds and ends. There's like a suction cup mount, the drone, some drone stuff too, the drone charger, and the owner's manuals for all of that. And then the other stuff that I carry is, it's still in the box, but this is a waterproof case for my iPhone. And I'm going to show how this sets up. Okay, so this is the setup with the metal case. How this works is, take this apart. And this fits in, so this is the case that comes with the GoPro. The problem with this case, if you take the access door off completely, because it comes off like that, then you have access to it. So when you put it in there, you know, you can get to it from there. However, on this metal case, you don't have to take the door off. I'll show that. Put this back on. Okay, and then you screw that in to keep it in. And you can see there's an attachment up here for the microphone. You can also take it off from there and put it on the side as well. This is just the way I have it set up. So anyway, that door, so you can get to that door, and you can get the door completely open with this case. So that's kind of a nice feature. So anyway, once this is in here, then you can put the macro lens on. It screws on there, or this telephoto lens will screw on there as well. How this works. And there we go. And then you can mount, if you want to mount the light to that, or however you wanted to do it. So if I wanted to mount the light, I could do that, set up like that. And that light has 3 different settings. It blinks. That's the lowest setting, medium setting, high. It's weatherproof, and you can take it underwater as well, so that's a good thing. So then the way the microphone hooks up is you would open this door back up. take this here, and it plugs in right there. And then you would take it goes in like that. So this goes in here, then it goes to a mic cable, and then the microphone can get mounted right here, and then your microphone cable goes in the back, and then that's ready to go. And you would do the same thing with the lapel mics. So that's how that would work. And then also have this one for the wind that I can put on there as well. Okay, that's everything put back in. That's everything that I take with me when I go make a video. So until the next video.